Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. Alright, we're going to change the battery on your 3-button remote here. This task here, you're just going to need a small flat tip screwdriver and a dime. If the key ring is on, you will need to remove the key ring. So with that being said, this is already prepped. Go ahead and after the key ring's removed, you'll see there's an indentation where you can slide a dime in. Go ahead and put the dime in. Rotate and it pops open. Set your the back part of the housing down on the front side. Take your small flat tip, put it on the battery, lift up, battery comes out. 2032, go ahead and drop the battery back in and you push it down and she seats in. You'll notice it doesn't fall out. Go ahead and take the two halves back together and gently squeeze them, and there you go. You've just changed the battery. Thanks for watching, and let's stay safe.